putting up our pumpkin and fall and autumn decor, switching it out for Christmas. Taylor picked this out. Yes, we went to Big Lots. My kids get crazy when they go outside and start screaming. Crew's doing fine. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
So
CJ stay following instructions. Y'all look at these little mushrooms that grew. Get away, Cam. Back up. Don't let him see you, baby.
You can't even cut mats and all that. I'm about to get that up.
Yeah, that's nasty. I don't like how they look. Look at it.
So.
It looks disgusting, babe.
Guys, we're now recording. And Cam's over there playing. Just came over. He just playing on a drum. I know he loves drums so much.
Did you record it? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it up.
So guys, you see Mom right there. So guys, Cam's in there playing, and here's Mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hey, Mom.
Dad is over here sitting on his ladder. And if you want to see all this stuff, then let me show you. So this is the stuff. We got toys out with Cam love. And then we're about to put the lights up. And you see, got a little thing up there. It's like, I know y'all can't see it right now. So y'all wait. Y'all will have to wait until the lights come up, because when the lights come out, I'll show you. So if I check, but yeah. So guys, right now I'm in the garage. Mom just bumped into me. So right now I'm over here in the garage. I'm sorry it's dark. Let me go turn the light on. So light is up here. And right now I'm just sorry, the lights was already on. So right now,
Alright, Ted, tell me to talk to him later, because
I'll talk to you later because
the battery about to die.
Battery's about to die. Bye.
Alright, y'all, we have just put the lights up. We're about to see how it looks. But I'm about to try to wrap this part around this thingy. Hello.
Hello.
Say I'm eating lunch. Who is that? He's so sleepy, y'all. Say I'm eating lunch.
You sleepy? You sleepy?
Say yes. CJ over here working.
What's up? What's up? I don't know what she talking about. Up there.
Eat. Stop hitting
man.
the
Everything
counter.
is a drum set to you.
Cam, listen, you're going to the dentist today. Camden, you're going to the dentist. The dentist is gonna clean your teeth. Where your teeth? Can I see your teeth? Teeth. Yeah, you gotta say cheese. And he's gonna brush your teeth. He's gonna count your teeth, okay? Yes? Why your shirt tucked in like that?
Because I want like that.
Girl, untuck that shirt. Y'all, she thinks she doing something.
Ow!
Stop, Cam.
Yeah.
You pick your outfit up.
Yeah, that's Cam, y'all. What are you eating?
I'm gonna be a dancer like this. That look. Like this, Daddy.
You see her?
Extra, extra. I'm about to eat for the first time today. I just finished teaching Taylor. Alright, y'all. I'm outside with Crew. He's using the potty. Crew potty. It is so cold outside. When it gets dark outside, we're going to show you guys the lights. We finished putting them up yesterday. I just got back from taking Camden to the dentist. Luckily, Taylor finished... Oh, where's the light? Luckily, Taylor finished her lesson early today, so I was able to work out early, take Camden to the doctor or the dentist, and he did very well, surprisingly. He was very busy, but when they brushed his teeth, he did very well. Come here, baby. Crew likes to run up to people when we're outside, so I tried to grab him before someone came around. But I'm about to go in the house, and I need to edit this vlog, and I also need to prepare for my call tonight with some other top income earners. And I came to this door and it's locked. Great.
Alright guys, these are the lights we put up this year. First time doing it, so it's not too bad. Probably put up more next year. Aw man, the unicorn got knocked over. I don't know what's going on with this. This is the unicorn that keeps falling over. Come here, Crew. Alright, here we go. With the unicorn standing up a little bit. This joker just running around. All the energy in the world. Ain't that right, Crew? Huh? Alright, come on. Come on, man.
Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come and sit down in front of the camera really quick because y'all know Taylor's been stealing this show so much, but I just wanted to explain to you guys how excited I am to be doing Vlogmas this year. I don't even think I was consistent with Vlogmas last year, but in the previous years I have been. And this, like over the last 6 months, maybe more, I felt like God kept telling me like, Tara, you need to get back on your YouTube kick. Like you need to start putting videos up. And I would film so many videos and just never find the time, because you find the time for what you want to find the time for, but I would never find the time to like edit the vlogs and stuff like that. So I have, like when we went to go pick out Crew, our puppy, I have like when we were deciding to get Crew and everything like that, and I would love to share that. So I probably like drop that as one of the vlogs during Vlogmas. But I'm just super excited to show you guys like what our lives look like now that we have 2 kids and a puppy. And now like I'm teaching Taylor every single day what her lessons look like. There's so much that I have not shared. So I'm super excited about that. I have a pretty busy evening with like, I have calls and stuff like that. I have a training that I'm doing with some other top income earners in my business. So we're going to be leading our team, basically our teams, and giving them tips and stuff for ending the year strong. But someone told me this at one of the recent trainings I went to. I think it was Unleash the Power Within. If God has set something on your heart to do and you don't do it, somebody else is gonna take that gift that he tried to give to you and they're gonna run with it. So make sure that any ideas that you have that you're trying to like figure out how to execute them, and don't spend forever trying to figure out how to execute. Sometimes you just have to do it and allow things to fall into place. So I feel like now is the perfect time to share that as we're gearing up for the new year and stuff. I'm doing a dream board party with my team this month. It's gonna be this Sunday, so I'm super excited about that too. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So hopefully I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow.